So it is Monday, the what's today? Monday the 27th, and there's no promos. Lyft has one, but it is like 179 rides, which is truly impossible even in my rate. So it's nothing. So for Monday this week, just before New Year's on the 27th, all we're gonna do is multi-app. All right, we're gonna multi-app, and we're gonna take advantage of anything that's out there. So here we go, Monday. Let's make this money. All right, so it is 6:17. I made a total of 222. I still got a little bit to go. I've been multi-apping all day, ever since 6 o'clock, but I've been stopping on and off, but still a good day. I'll probably run until about 8 o'clock, maybe 10, but we'll keep multi-apping. Let's keep it going. Let's keep making this money. So it is Tuesday. I started the day off at about like 8:30 or something like that. It's been all deliveries. I made a total of $88. There's no bonus. There's nothing going on today except for Lyft, which got an impossible one. You couldn't even make it even if you worked like 80 hours. So right now it's just deliveries. $88 for today. It's Tuesday. Monday we finished the day off at about, I think it was like 226. But let's keep it going. See how much we're gonna make for today. So it is like 9:30 or something like that, and I finished the day making about 280 for a Tuesday. So all right, pretty good day. Let's keep it going. Let's see how much we're gonna make tomorrow for our Wednesday. It is Wednesday, 7:25 in the morning, the 29th. Let's make this money. 5:30. It only made about 200 for today. Let's keep it going. See how much we make for the rest of the night. All right, so it's 9:19, and I finished the day off with a total of 282. Let's keep it going. Tomorrow is Thursday. Let's see how much money we make. All right, so today, Friday, I have no idea what time it is. It is a no work day, so today it's gonna be a one wheel day. All right, today the day started at about I don't know, 6 o'clock in the morning, like 6:30 actually. I've made a total of 140 for today, and it's 11:26 p.m. Let's keep it going. It's New Year's Eve. I won't be going out today, so I won't be working all night. So let's keep making this money. All right, so the day has been finished at 9:28. Made a total of 381 for New Year's Eve, and there's gonna be a little party going on. All right, Happy New Year's. We are going out tomorrow and working, so let's keep making this money. All right, so it is 12 something. It's almost 1 o'clock. Day after it's New Year's Day, so yeah, hustle, baby, hustle mentality. Let's keep it going. Let's see how much we make for today. I'm a little late, but it's because I was out last night. So all right, let's make this money. It is 9:14 and I made a total today of 190. I'm done going home. Let's see how much we make for tomorrow. Today was still a good day given that I started working like at 1 o'clock, so let's keep making this money. Okay, 6:55 in the morning. It is cold. All right, Sunday, last day for the week. Let's make this money. All right, so it is I finished the day off at 10 o'clock. I was gonna record outside, but it's freezing. I made a total of 321. I think that's what it was. And then for the rest of the week, I made $1,740 something dollars. It was pretty good. I mean, I took a day off, you know, to hang out with the daughter. And then the day after New Year's, which was I only work half the day, so no promos, no bonuses, no nothing. I still made $1,700. So let's keep it going. Done for this week. Let's see how much we make next week. Keep making this money.